Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a close look at what I call the best camping hatchet stainless steel sheath. This is the leather hatchet sheath from the brand zuylikxy, designed specifically for small axes in the 0.88 to 1.25 pound range. If you're a camping enthusiast, hiker, or someone who just wants to keep their hatchet safe and secure, this one deserves your attention. First, let's talk materials and build. Even though it's marketed as a leather sheath, the construction here combines high-quality leather and durable nylon. That blend gives you the classic rugged feel of leather while still keeping things lightweight and easy to manage. It weighs just 0.1 pounds, so you're not adding unnecessary bulk when packing for a trip. The combination of materials also means it holds up against scratches and wear when you're out in the elements. Now let's get into dimensions and fit. This sheath is 15.5 centimeters wide, or about 6.1 inches, which makes it ideal for hatchets in that 1 to 1.25 pound size. It's designed to give you a snug, secure fit so your blade stays covered at all times without shifting around inside. That fit is really important, because it not only protects the blade edge but also keeps you safe when handling or carrying your hatchet. The usability is another highlight here. The sheath uses a double snap button system, which makes it simple to put on and just as easy to take off. If you're working around camp or need to quickly access your hatchet, you won't be fighting with straps or awkward closures. At the same time, once those snaps are in place, you can trust the cover won't slip off accidentally. Safety is clearly a priority in the design. With a sharp tool like a hatchet, an exposed blade can be dangerous not just to you but also to your gear. This sheath ensures both you and your equipment are protected from scratches, cuts, or accidental damage. It gives you that peace of mind whether you're hiking, chopping wood at a campsite, or simply storing your hatchet at home. Portability rounds out the package. The sheath includes a belt attachment option, so you can carry your axe hands-free while keeping it within reach. For anyone who hikes into a campsite or does a lot of outdoor work, that kind of convenience makes a real difference. It saves you from stuffing your hatchet in a backpack where it's harder to access or could potentially damage other gear. To wrap things up, this leather hatchet sheath by zuylikxy stands out as a simple but essential accessory for outdoor enthusiasts. It combines durability, safety, ease of use, and portability in a very compact design. If you're investing in a quality hatchet, protecting that tool is just as important as owning it. This sheath offers that protection and adds an extra layer of practicality to your outdoor setup. That's all for today's breakdown. You've been watching Product Critique, and if you're serious about camping gear, this best camping hatchet stainless steel sheath is a small investment. That goes a long way in keeping your adventures safer and more enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next review.